these are all my Google #1 position Google long tail keywords. I have 4 at number
Oh.
1, 4 at number 3, 2 at number 7, 2 at number 8, 2 at number 9, and if I go by Bing, I got 4 really good keywords on the first page of Bing, 3 on the first page of Yahoo, and I got this, one, upload your music for free and get it mastered. I'm at number 1 on Google, Bing, and Yahoo.
And this is all from your software?
Well, it's from my curation practices and for how I handle my online business, which all gets boiled down into my software because my software is a tool to do what I've learned to do over these last couple of years. If I go to I don't have my blog in the front, but I curate to a news section, and these are all curated articles. Like, for example, this one here is a video with an article that I wrote about the video and some curation and a pointer. And I've done that, over and over and over again for the last year.
And that's finding videos that are related to the blog and getting them on there and mixing them up, sending the links out, getting more links pointing back. That's the general system,
well,
right?
To be honest, Zane, the basic thing is just get a video and put it on your blog, period. I mean, that's the basic strategy. It's pretty complicated, right?
Yeah, Hugh, I think it might be beneficial if we skip to showing people a demo of the software in action, then it's going to be easy for them to visualize the entire process.
Yeah, because I've
just going to show you real quick some posts that I've done. If you can see my screen now, these are all posts that I've done with the software. And they're, you see people are commenting on them, sharing them. And this is done automatically. You can say, share the link via Videos app. And that's not just on my main page, but also on my fan pages are also getting them as well. And so then everybody that's connected on my fan pages gets pulled into my blog. Okay, so Stephen, let's go ahead and work on showing the software now.
Yeah, let's show this puppy in action.
Here's my puppy.
I really like the whole fact that you can set everything up ahead of time, and be able to say, okay, well, this is the blog profile for this one, and this one, and actually shoot out to multiples. This is really exciting stuff, and it's not just online or music or anything. I mean, this is offline, this is online, this is anybody who needs video, who needs attention to their blog.
I'm glad you brought that up because offline people, you can really do a lot with this because I've already discovered that if you get your offline business listed in Google Places, I think it is, it's like, you get your geographic thing programmed into Google, and it's like your little storefront on Google, and then you start curating your videos, then it hooks up right with your Google Places, and everything kind of shows right on Google there.
And what you've got here is basically everything with a bunch of profiles and whatnot. This isn't going to be preset when people start, right?
No, this will be empty when you first run the program. I've plugged in a lot of blogs and some test data as well. But as you can see, we got a name. I just made a name, a default keyword. You can select. You can manage your keywords here, or you can type it in the list anywhere you want. We've got 6 video sources: Dailymotion, Metacafe, Vimeo, and 3 different licenses on YouTube, or two licenses and all licenses. Blog address, login password, and you can test it. It'll test that you're logged in correctly. Now you can also program in multiple Facebook accounts here, multiple Twitter accounts, multiple Pinterest accounts, and bit.ly to shorten your link. Yeah. When you go back to the blog, you can select the Facebook account, and the Facebook account that you select, all the fan pages under that account become available for multiple posting.
Excellent.
And you hook up the Twitter and the Pinterest, but those are all. You can pretty much access all the Twitter and Pinterest from any post. So we have the search, and as I mentioned, it's a keyword-based search. So you're not really spending too much time searching because you can manage your keywords here. You can import a flat file with keywords if you want to, like if you have some program that makes a flat file. Or you can simply type it in the list right here, and it'll add any new keyword to the list as you type it. Then you just select it, and it brings the videos to you.
So based on the profile and the keywords that you give your profile, this will automatically go out and start grabbing videos related to those keywords, or you can also additionally put the keyword in the keyword field there, right?
Exactly right. It's kind of a hierarchy. The profile connects to a particular blog. It has a particular default keyword and default source of searching. So when you select a blog over here, it's going to automatically load the keyword for that blog and the video source that you save with that blog. But at any time, you can pick another one. But
okay.
you have that default saved with that blog. So if I go to my VCC Test dog blog, it pulls up the dog keyword. If I go to my cat blog, it pulls up the cat keyword.
So
if I
you
go
can
to my mastering mixing, it picks up mixing and mastering.
So you
Yes,
can
sir.
basically say these are the keywords that I want to go after, and this will always have those ready and videos associated with it, so you can put the keyword-rich video into your keyword-rich blog and be able to benefit from the video.
Exactly.
Perfect.
That's exactly right.
So it doesn't matter which kind of keywords you're using, online, offline, you still got all the possibilities right here. That's great.
It doesn't matter in the slightest. And YouTube has millions and millions of videos. So MetaCafe, Dailymotion, Vimeo, they all have a lot of videos too. And you can just switch in any time. But yes, it's preloaded with the targeted niche. So you could have as many different niches as you want here. Just by selecting the blog, it totally switches the whole niche and the target that you're targeting.
Excellent.
Okay, so that's how we search. Now, once we search, there's certain things that we want to do. These 4 icons allow you to do it. Now, the hand icon, we call it the grabber, and it opens this applet here, which allows you to view the video and target. Now, this is not for your blog. The grabber is for your social networks. The blog is skipped on the grabber.
Oh, okay.
So a lot of people just want to post stuff directly to Facebook or directly in Twitter or directly in Pinterest. So this is called the grabber, and it's the one with the hand. The one next to it is we call the quick post, the page icon. You click on that, and it opens this really nice WYSIWYG editor. You can stretch that out, and you have a really nice place to work in your posts. You can edit the HTML source. It's like Microsoft Word type controls. You get bold. You can add an image by this control right here. Lets you add an image URL. You can edit you see a preview, and I don't have an image loaded up to put in there right now. Well, I could do that actually. Because you can also get certain data from the video over here. You can get the link to the video, or you can actually copy the link to the freeze frame if you want to, and open that applet, paste it in, and then you've got the picture. But never fear, you don't really have to do that because we have code in there that automatically puts in a meta tag that makes that image the featured image on the post, even if it's just a video.
Hey, I like that.
You can see this. I shared a link via Videos app, and of course the video shows. But now this one here is where I shared a link via Videos app, and this is actually a blog post I did. And the featured image shows up here. Now, that might not even actually be the video image, but the video image is set like here's one I did here. Okay, and this is the high quality image from the YouTube video, and it looks like the video, but it's really a link to the blog post. So if I click on that, it takes me to my blog post.
And there it is.
Right. Yeah. So that's how it works. And also you can spin that text. Not this. It doesn't spin when you're doing a blog post, but when you're doing a grab, you can spin this here.
Yeah,
so
that's one thing that,
we have an API to work with the best spinner and spin rewriter. For those of you that don't have that, it doesn't matter. You don't have to have it. We also have some options for you that don't have those spinners, and we're going to be continuing to build on those. Okay, so the quick post, I mean, I could do an example post if you want. I've shown you actually the result already on Facebook, and I've also showed you some posts on my blogs that I've done with this. So I don't know if you want me to go through and do it right now. And one more thing before I go on.
Okay.
Zane, sorry to interrupt you.
Sure.
But you're going to mark this up, whatever you want. You can. This is the description directly from YouTube. Now you can spin. No, not spin it. You can spin it in the grabber. But this is going to be a blog article. We're not doing article marketing with spinning. We're just making nice content. But then when you get ready to post it, you come to this screen. And this screen is the final before posting, and this is where you select your Facebook fan pages and your Twitter accounts and your Pinterest accounts to bookmark the post after it's posted. So once you've done that, you just click post, and your blog post gets posted on your blog and gets bookmarked to all the accounts that you selected.
Very nice.
Okay, shall I continue, or is that enough, or shall I keep going and more features, or what?
It might be a good idea to give the JVs a quick summary of the 2 bonus modules that have been thrown into the mix as well.
It's called Pinterest Boss Training. So what I'm going to do in Pinterest Boss Training is first I'm going to teach you how to set up your Pinterest accounts for maximum exposure, and then I'm going to teach you how to use this applet right here to do Pinterest marketing. And it's kind of cool if you click into one of these right here, click, they all get selected, and then you can add or you can deselect them if you want, but the idea is to make it easy for you to do a lot of Pinterest marketing. So this video gets pinned to all these different Pinterest accounts, and you can put a backlink here in the link area. Pinterest has a very special feature that with a pin, you're allowed to put a description and an additional backlink that's a special spot for you to put your own link in. It's very cool. So we've automated that now, so you can post stuff to Pinterest and put in your own backlink, and you can also set up this this price tagging thing that they have on the back end. So basically I'm going to go over how to do that, how to set up your Pinterest accounts, how to set up Viral Video Curator Pro to access your Pinterest accounts, and how to use this thing to get the maximum benefit from Pinterest. Okay, so that's one of the bonuses. It's called Pinterest Boss Training. The other bonus, well, there's going to be a PDF that contains a very big list of free stock video sources. That's a bonus that we're giving away too. There's another bonus with the OTO, which is called Viral Video Domination, and in that one I'm going to train you how to make short marketing videos, how to make them effective as videos using free tools, but I'm afraid especially using Adobe Premiere, which is, I just love that program. But we'll show you how to do them with free tools as well, and then how to design those videos for the best effect, and then how to use our special syndicator system that is a part of this. If you get the OTO, it comes with a plugin. The plugin installs on your blog I'm not sharing the screen yet, so I'm going to show you just real quick. Here's what the plugin looks like. I mean, you need to know, but it holds a Dailymotion account, a Vimeo app API, and a YouTube account. And with that on the blog, you can target that blog to distribute a video to those 3 channels, to your 3 accounts. And by changing this, I'm not showing that yet, sorry. Just getting used to this Hangout thing here. Okay, so I'm going to share the software now, so I thought I was showing that. Okay, so now you can see the software, right? Yeah. Okay, so on this screen, it's called Upload. This is the screen that accesses the VVC Syndicator plugin. You install the plugin on your blog, and by selecting a different profile, you target the plugin on a different blog, no matter where it's installed. Now, for example, this one does not have the plugin installed, so I don't see any accounts. If I select this blog, my accounts show up because the plugin is there. So I select these, I put in a title, description, and tags. They're all spinnable. Select a video and click Upload. It uploads through that blog and distributes that video to the 3 accounts that you have plugged into that blog. And it comes back with a message telling you, the result. And if you don't have the right password or something, it's going to tell you, that you couldn't log into YouTube or whatever. But if everything's set up right, it works like a champ. It's amazing. I've been loving it. So that's how that works. Now the bonus that comes with this is some very intensive. Of course, we have the basic training on how to use this, but the bonus training is how to actually mount a video marketing campaign using not only the syndication but also the curation after you've syndicated. So that's what the viral video domination is all about. You can put it on as many blogs as you want to. There's no limit. And each blog that you put it on, you get 3 accounts, 1 of each, and you can plug in there, and you can do it by niche. So like I said, I have a dog blog and a dog profile on my software, so I can curate dog videos, and then I can also upload 1 dog video to that blog, and it automatically goes to all my 3 dog accounts, and then I can switch to a cat profile, and I have 3 other accounts, and they're all about cats. So then I can target that one, upload 1 video, and it goes to all my cat portals.
Excellent, excellent. Now, at this point, it sounds like we've gone through pretty much all of the bits and pieces that you wanted to demonstrate, Hugh.